Welcome guys to another video on Full Throttle. Today we're tending to some farm work. Bought the farm off my dad. Got the second gen imported from Vice City. Still not done yet. We got some modifications to do to it, but she's our pull truck here. Today we're going to go deliver some hay over to a ranch, and then we also got to pick up some chicken feed. So, you ready now?
Yeah.
Sweet, hop in.
Alright, boss man.
This is a 12 valve Cummins. It needs a new exhaust on it, as you guys can hear. But once it's got the exhaust, it should be good.
At least it don't sound as bad as my first one.
It sounds the same as your first game. Are we doing a wheelie right now? It feels like
Probably are.
yeah, I'll be honest with you. She ain't in the best shape right now. Her suspension's a little fucked.
Whole truck's a little ripper, ain't it?
That's also true.
Rusted frame and all.
I don't mind. It's work for her. I swear this thing's doing wheelies.
What's it? The wheels on it cost more than the truck.
That's the point. What headlights are these? These headlights suck too.
They don't. They illuminate pretty decently.
Can't see Duke.
I don't know, man.
See what I'm talking about?
Where are we going with all this hay?
Bringing it. There's this ranch over by the highway. There's a little barn down the road from the ranch. That's where he wants it out delivered.
Just all the hay that he wanted.
All the hay he wants. We just need the trailer because that's how heavy it can be. Plus, that's all old work truck wants to tow right now. Plus, it's my only trailer, so it works.
And go take a walk.
You're what?
I gotta go take a walk.
Alright.
Are you gonna pull over and let me out?
Yeah.
Over at the gas station in Sandy or something, maybe? I gotta meet somebody there right fast.
You're already out. Alright. Man, freaking burning so heavy trailers. Yeah, we're gonna around a little bit. Doing good. Whoever's making that clicking in their CB, hush.
And pull it.
We're on our way there. No, you can just hop back in the vehicle for whatever you want.
Alright. I could just meet you at the ranch, bro.
That's right. You to take L first scan or like you're gonna wait there for me.
I'll just wait there for you.
Alright, sweet.
Then Matt will take me back over there.
Yeah, I can take you back.
What?
I'll take you back.
Think what?
I said I'll take you back.
Okay. I had to pay that guy for a shipment of feed.
Oh, he paid you?
Yeah. He met me at the old, where you let me out, you know?
Yeah.
Not long after you got there. Then we went over to the bank and got the money. He paid me. He told me he gotta go back to work. He dropped me off at the place we're supposed to be delivering it and headed back to work.
I'm gonna need you to hop in this truck when I get there. And I gotta jack it up and replace the tire.
Oh, the tire daggone blew up on you? Alright, I'm waiting at the
You
gate.
forget to do that thing.
We gotta back it down here.
No, I'm not backing it down there. Because it's going to the barn down the road, but ranch is the closest descriptive thing. I'll jack it up, you actually do the thing. You'll sit in there and look pretty.
Thank you.
There you go. Don't work correct. Alright, hop on in.
Stop flooring her on the dirt. This is the problem with these gooseneck trailers, man. It puts too much stress on these trucks.
I'm sitting here. Daggone it.
Even on that daggone, you remember that cat ID way I had that time?
The Diwali, yeah.
The Diwali, yeah. Well, I had that enclosed gooseneck trailer for it or whatever. That thing was terrible towing it.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
This trail ain't too bad. It's just on the dirt, man. We get some squat going. Work trucks on.
Gotcha.
This is the place. I'm just gonna have to back her.
Did you stall it?
Yeah. Bad driver.
Yeah.
Back it in here. We'll just back it up, like, next to the barn. And we'll get it all unloaded. Once we get it all unloaded, we'll cut back on the GoPro here. Alright, we just delivered all that, all the goods. Now we gotta go back to the farm. Ooh, hit this.
Ooh.
Don't give no dukes. We're gonna stop at that main Sandy Shores gas station. Get some diesel fuel.
Back when I used to run moonshine, we used to keep it at that barn back there.
Really?
Guy that,
trailer.
yeah, it is nice
We got
trailer.
an
You know,
flag.
the guy that owns the ranch over here, he don't really use that barn a whole. He really didn't back in the day. And yeah, we used to just keep away from it. Yeah.
Yeah. Steering box a little left up.
Yeah, I heard it.
Oh, do it again. Truck's on. Oh, work. Jesus. That's pretty bad.
I think it's time to maybe get a different truck, even though you just got this truck. I think we should just get a pull behind and
Oh my
tow
god.
it with our first gen.
No, we're fine. We're fine. Here you go. What doesn't involve maneuvering, this truck's got it covered.
That's good.
This truck's a little too big for maneuvering.
Yeah, I got you there. It's pretty big.
Slip right in gear.
Yeah. Wonderful farm hands. Got anything done?
We gotta feed the hens. I'm gonna pick up feed for those after. Alright, I'll drop the trailer first though.
Hopefully he's been cultivating, and then if he's been cultivating, I reckon I'll go get the hay trailer that's loaded up and haul it down to the old O'Neill Ranch, because they was on the load as well. What are you going down here for? We gotta get diesel.
block all the pumps.
Mm-hmm.
Real farmers.
Yee yee.
Yee is right. Alright.
Getting out of here is gonna be miserable.
Yeah.
I'm
I'd
gonna get
imagine
out and
so.
smoke me a cigarette.
By the gas pumps, that ain't a good idea.
No, I'm gonna stand right here. See, ain't this far enough away?
Yeah. I reckon it will be.
I ain't smoked since we left this morning. I need to smoke.
Well, it's a work truck. You can smoke in the truck. I don't give a boonk.
I don't know, man. I don't even smoke in my own vehicles.
Yeah, but your vehicles ain't work trucks.
Oh, F100's kind of beater-ish.
Except it's a
Not
really
really.
nice beater.
It is really nice.
This
It's
thing's
clean.
got some surface frame rust, but
That daggone F100's straighter than air ray, and it's clean as all get out. So was the first gen.
yeah.
Take care of my things, I reckon. Where did that truck come from? North Yankton?
Yep.
I figured all rust underneath.
I thought it was Vice City, but it went from North Yankton to Vice City, back to North
Oh,
Yankton,
gotcha.
back to Vice City, and that here. It's got a story.
Okay. Oh yeah?
Windows down. We didn't hit
Ain't
nothing, did we?
kind of squirrely coming out of there. No, I don't think we did. You're having trouble pulling with this thing. Working that daggone 5-speed, ain't you?
Yep.
Should've got an auto.
Nah, autos are for women.
You're not wrong.
We're Ford drivers. They have autos too.
Hush.
Don't you steal my hush.
Hush. Hush, your boss ass.
Hush.
Nice and good. What's your daggone hay?
Hopefully he's got all that hay. Loaded up.
It ought to be.
Ah, fuck. So this guy go. Go.
What is this guy doing? Like I'm locals, man.
Can't even zero my daggone hood.
That's no fun. Looks like he's done something.
I say I don't see him, but
I see him. Go right with the hay bale.
to the right.
Uh-huh. Yeah, missed it, man. He was over there in the field, I think. Looked like the tractor.
Yeah, the blue tractor's not there.
Green. I guess he decided to take daggone green and leave me. Put the daggone red back in the shed.
Oh, there he is. Wow, I
Where
can't.
is he?
Not trying to do that.
Here he comes.
Jackknife this. Don't want to jackknife too hard now. Sorry. Daggum tractor
Mullet.
traffic.
Breaker 99.
What's up, mullet?
Not too much, just pulling the hay up for you guys.
Alright.
I dropped the trailer.
You want to take that over to old O'Neill Ranch? I'm gonna go take the dump trailer down, get a load of dirt for the pasture, not the pasture, the stables.
What do we need for? We need anything for chickens?
Feed.
We need chicken feed. All right. That's good. That puts some chicken feed. Yeah, gum. I can't drive this truck.
Grain mill's right here.
Yeah, that's.
I wonder if they got dirt at the grain. I doubt it. I ain't
This is
even
where
gonna
we store
stop.
our stuff here at my barn.
Yeah.
Like that too. I'm broke now, but
You're always broken in debt. I don't know how you do it.
that's true. Hope I got enough room in this daggone bed to fill it up with feed.
Yeah. What you been doing? Staying at your dad's house up here?
Yeah. I'll meet up in the L1 soon. Alright. I'm gonna have to load the feed. So while I load that feed, I'm just have the GoPro off and I'll cut it back in whenever we got all the feed loaded up here. Alright guys, we're back. We got the seeds here, or the feed for the chickens. We're gonna bring that on back. Started raining again, obviously, because we can't have 30 seconds of that rain. In California here, California, as I like to call it, because that's what it is, to be honest. But old work truck's doing pretty good, besides the stalls all the time, because don't have enough torque. Got an old truck horn on it. We're doing good. See someone back there. Don't you think of that? Hate you. Oh wait, I'm in the wrong place. There you go. I have to smash a gate down to get in. I'm gonna back into it. Oh yeah, this thing's spinning without. I think we snuck on it too. Alright. Hope that doesn't scratch that bumper too much. Alright. That'll about do it for today's GoPro video. But for more farm updates and stuff, we will be posting more daily as usual. So catch you all in the next one.